Are you for the best Lodge cast iron Dutch ovens? Dutch ovens are a cornerstone of versatile cooking, prized for their ability to handle everything from slow-cooked stews to artisan bread baking. Lodge, a trusted name in cast iron cookware since 1896, offers a range of Dutch ovens that cater to diverse cooking needs and budgets. In this article, product 6 Quart Enameled Cast Iron Dutch Oven with Lid. This 6 Quart enameled Dutch oven is a mid-tier option that balances form and function. The porcelain enamel finish provides a smooth, non-stick surface that resists staining and makes cleanup easier. It's oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for baking, braising, and roasting. The Island Spice red color adds a vibrant touch to your kitchen, while the dual handles ensure secure lifting. The lid fits tightly, sealing in moisture for optimal cooking results. In terms of performance, this model excels at heat retention and even distribution, making it ideal for slow-cooked recipes. The enameled interior promotes caramelization without sticking, though it's not product no. 5 Quart Cast Iron Double Dutch Oven. The 5 Quart Double Dutch Oven offers a unique 2-in-1 design where the lid doubles as a 10.25-inch skillet. Pre-seasoned with vegetable oil, it's ready for immediate use and improves with seasoning over time. Made in the USA, this model is free from synthetic chemicals like PFAS and PFOA, ensuring safe cooking. Its dual handles provide ease of use, and it's compatible with ovens, stovetops, grills, and campfires. This Dutch oven is ideal for budget-conscious buyers who value versatility. The thick cast iron construction ensures excellent heat retention, making it perfect for stews, breads, and searing. However, product 3, 8 Quart Pre-Seasoned Cast Iron Camp Dutch. The 8 Quart Camp Dutch oven is designed for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. Its flanged lid holds hot coals and doubles as a griddle, while the integral legs allow for stable placement over a campfire. Pre-seasoned with soy-based vegetable oil, it's ready for immediate use and improves with seasoning. Lodge's durable cast iron construction ensures longevity, and it comes with a Camp Dutch Oven Cooking 101 cookbook. This model shines in campfire cooking scenarios, offering unparalleled heat retention and versatility. The deep design accommodates larger recipes, making it ideal for group cooking. However, its 19.35-pound product number 7.5 Quart Enameled Cast Iron Dutch Oven. With the 7.5 Quart Enameled Dutch Oven is a premium option for those who prioritize capacity and aesthetics. The porcelain enamel coating provides a non-stick surface that's easy to clean, while the Island Spice red finish adds elegance to your kitchen. It's oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and features dual handles for secure lifting. The larger capacity makes it perfect for family-sized meals or entertaining guests. Performance-wise, this Dutch oven delivers consistent heat distribution and retention, making it suitable for slow-cooked recipes and baking. The enamel coating minimizes sticking, but requires careful handling to avoid chips and scratches. At 18 pounds, its weight product 5, 9 Quart Pre-Seasoned Cast Iron Dutch Oven with Lid. The 9 Quart Dutch Oven is the largest model in this comparison, offering ample capacity for large-scale cooking. Pre-seasoned with oil for a natural, easy-release finish, it's ideal for baking, roasting, and stewing. The wire bail handle ensures easy transfer from the cooking surface to the table, and its rugged cast iron construction promises decades of use. This model is perfect for large families or those who frequently entertain. The heat retention and distribution are excellent, but its 19.57-pound weight and bulky dimensions may be impractical for smaller kitchens. Additionally, the pre-seasoned surface requires